This week, the U.S. Senate failed to pass a bill banning abortions after 20 weeks. Arkansas Attorney General Leslie Rutledge is here with us to talk about that decision. Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you.
All right. Well, you announced recently that you will petition the U.S. Supreme Court to decide the constitutionality of the state's Human Heartbeat Protection Act. Why?
That is correct. It is my duty as Attorney General to defend state law, and so we are petitioning the Supreme Court to take up the case which bans abortions after 12 weeks of gestation once a heartbeat is detected.
Now, the law prohibits abortions after 12 weeks. A federal appeals court had already ruled that law. It violates the U.S. Constitution. Now, if the Supreme Court were to hear the case, do you think they will decide in your favor?
We are optimistic. We understand that the Supreme Court, out of the thousands of petitions that they receive each year, only 1% are taken up. However, Chris, we are confident that if the Supreme Court does decide to take up this case, that we will be victorious in that. And certainly, beyond my duty as Attorney General, I firmly believe that the state has a profound interest in protecting life.
You feel strongly about a lot of issues that have happened around the state. Why do you feel so strongly, in particular, in your opinions about pro-life?
Well, I've stated that I am pro-life. I ran on pro-life, but I believe that the state has a profound interest in protecting the life of the unborn.
And you're also dealing with another issue here in the state, the prescription take-back policy. Talk about your involvement in that.
Yes, this Saturday is the National Prescription Drug Take-Back. We have an epidemic of prescription drug abuse across Arkansas. 40% of teens have tried prescription drugs, and they try them at home. And so it's important for parents and grandparents to take those medicines out of their cabinets and to take them to law enforcement agencies across the state in this area this Saturday. They cannot take them back to the pharmacies, but get them out of your homes. Just like we keep cleaning supplies and chemicals from toddlers, it's important that we take them and back to the law enforcement agencies to get them out of the hands of our loved ones.
Arkansas Attorney General Leslie Rutledge in studio with us, talking about important issues happening around our state. Thank you once again for joining us.
Thank you, Chris. You bet.
All right, coming up on 6:50 on this Friday morning.